is the process of comparison of the given physical quantity with the non-standard quantity of the same nature. Suppose physical quantity is equal to mass. It is measured in kg. Same nature. Unit is the quantity of constant magnitude which is used to measure the magnitudes of other quantities of the same nature. Example: length. Its same quantity measurement in meter. Mass unit in kg. Physical quantity is equal to numerical value multiply by unit. Choice of unit means what is its properties. The unit should be of convenient size. First, what is meaning of convenient size? It can be used easily. Suppose 1 meter is the standard unit of length. It is used easily and conveniently, so the unit should be convenient in size. Second point, the unit should be reproducible. It means we can increase the number or unit easily with the physical quantity. Third point, the value of unit should not be changed. Suppose the space and time. 1 meter, example, 1 meter is the standard unit which is used in India. In other country also same. So it is standard value and it is also independent with time. It means it will be always same. So the properties of unit of any physical quantities which can be measured in our country or other country at present time or future time always should be same. There are two types of units. First, fundamental units. Second, derived units. Now we will discuss the fundamental units. What is fundamental units? A fundamental units is that which independent of any other, which can neither be changed, can be related to any other. It means it is alone, not two units used to measure or in fundamental units. Suppose length meter. It is independent of other units or other physical quantities or units. Mass kg. It is independent to other units. Similarly, we will discuss the derived unit. Derived units are those which dependent. Dependent means two fundamental units used, two or three fundamental units used to mention the derived unit. Suppose volume. Example, volume of any substance, length into length into length. It means three fundamental units used, three times length into length into length. So volume is the derived unit. Second example, speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance measured in meter and time measured in second. So its unit will be meter per second. Speed is the derived unit because it is formed by two units, meter and second. Systems of unit. First, CGS system or French system. In CGS system, length measured in centimeter, mass measured in gram, and time measured in second. It is known as CGS, the full form of CGS system. Second system developed, FPS. This system developed in British system. Like that, the F is related to foot. It means it is used to measure length, foot. Second, mass, used to measure in pound. And time, third, it is used to measure in second. both the system in its unit also used to measure the time in second. Third unit developed the international system of D units in France. It is most important unit in the world because this unit developed and used whole world, all countries, and the unit is always same and it cannot be changed in any other country. So this unit developed in to measure the length, like length it is measured in meter, mass it is used to measure in kg, and time used to measure in second. Time, temperature measured in Kelvin. Okay. There are total seven main international system unit used, and two used also angle and solid angles used the other units in SI system, but main 7 units use: length, mass, time, temperature, luminous intensity, electric current, and amount of substance. Now the fifth unit, luminous intensity. Measured in candela CD. Sixth, electric current measured in ampere A. Amount of substance used to measure in mole.